Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, today we are going to revise third unit, Matter Around Us. Okay, this is lesson under chemistry, already you know. And take your science book, children, all of you. See the Roman letter 1, choose the appropriate answer. First one, which one of the following is an example of a metal? So option A, iron. Second one, oxygen, hydrogen and sulfur are examples for option B, non-metals. Okay, this is the non-metals. And oxygen, hydrogen and sulfur, so these are all the gases. Okay, so it is the non-metals. See the third one, which of the following is a short and scientific way of representing one molecule of an element or compounds? Option D, chemical symbol, hydrogen H, sodium Na, potassium K. So this is a chemical symbol, okay. And see the fourth one, the metal which is liquid at room temperature, okay. Option C, mercury. Fifth one, an element which is always luxurious, malleable and ductile. So option B, metal, okay. And see the fill in the blanks, children. First one, the smaller particle of matter that can exist by itself is atom. This is the definition of atoms, okay. Second one, a compound containing one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen, okay, CO2. Here only one carbon C, okay, there is no number here, atomic number, it will be present only one. How many atoms they are present in oxygen, children? Two atoms. So the answer is CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon plus oxygen combined to form, okay, two elements combined to form compound, okay, already you know. See the third one, children, the dash is only non-metals which conducts electricity. This question also very important question, children. Graphite, okay, this is a non-metal, children, it will be conducting the electricity, okay, graphite. Fourth one, elements are made up of same kinds of atoms, same. Fifth one, symbol of some elements are derived from Latin or Greek names of the elements. Sixth one, there are 118 number of known elements. Okay. And seventh one, elements with the simplest form of pure substance. Okay. And eighth one, the first letter of an element is always written in what letter, children? Capital letter. For example, sodium, Na. So first letter N is a capital letter, following letter A is a small letter. This is clear to you, children? Yes. And see the ninth question. Molecule containing more than 3 atoms are known as more than 3. That is called polyatomic molecule. Okay, polyatomic molecule. And 10th one, dash is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Which one is the abundant gas, children? Nitrogen. Okay, it's very important question, children. And see the third Roman letter, children. And see the third Roman letter, children, analogy. First one, mercury. Children, mercury always at liquid at room temperature. Next one, oxygen. It's very important analogy, children. Oxygen, gas at room temperature. Okay. And second one, non-metals conducting electricity. Graphite. Okay. Metal conducting electricity, copper. Third one, elements combine to form compounds. Compounds can be split into elements. Okay. For example, carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen, it will be splitting. Okay. Fourth one, atoms, fundamental particle of an elements. So dash, fundamental particle of a compound, elements. And see the Roman letter 4, children, true or false. First one, two different elements may have similar atoms. So this statement is true. Second one, compounds and elements are pure substance. Okay, this statement also true. Third one, atoms cannot exist alone. They can only exist as groups, okay, called molecules. So this statement also true. Fourth one, NaCl. Na, sodium. Cl means chlorine. Sodium chloride represents one molecule of sodium and chloride. So this statement also true. Okay, two elements. Fifth one, organ is a monoatomic gas. Ar. Organ molecular symbol is Ar. It's a monoatomic. Mono means single, only one. Okay, Ar. Here the atomic number is what? There is no mentioning any number. It will be taking only one. So here this is called it as what? Monoatomic gas. This is clear to you children. Now all of you take your class of children. Now let's move for the question answers. Children, yes, take your classwork. Yes, see the first question children. Write the chemical formula and the name of elements present in the following compounds. See the first one, sodium chloride, NaCl. So here what are the elements present children? Sodium, NaCl, chlorine. Okay, and potassium hydroxide. Potassium means K. Hydroxide means OH family. Then two letters or capital letter. So potassium, oxygen and hydrogen present here. So three elements present in the potassium hydroxide. Okay. And third one, carbon dioxide. Here already you know carbon, oxygen 2. Calcium oxide, Ca. So one element C, A, and oxygen only one element. Okay. And sulfur dioxide, SO2. Sulfur di means 2 oxygen. SO2. Sulfur only 1, oxygen 2. It's very important. See the second question children. This question also very important question children. Sometimes asking the 2 marks. Classify the following molecules as the molecules of elements or compounds. See the first one children, OO. O2. Okay, this is called it as what? Elements. Molecule of elements. See the second one, OCO. That means CO2. This is called it as compound. Two elements combine to form compound. And see this third picture children, NN. That is nitrogen, N2. Okay, molecule of elements, only one. And compound, fourth one, NaCl. Two elements combine to form. So that is a molecule of compound. This is clear to you children? Yes. And I'll tell you very important questions children. See the fifth question also. Okay. Already this questions you have very well children. Fifth one. Yes, write the symbol and classifications. Aluminium Al, you know. Carbon C, chlorine Cl, mercury Hg. First letter capital, following letter small letter. Hydrogen H. Helium He. You know, liquid, solids and gases. And classify the following as metals, non-metals and metalloids. You know, sodium is a metal. Okay, nitrogen, non-metals. Silicon, metalloid. So you have to classify the following. And classify the following elements on compounds. You know, water. H2O. Two elements combine to form. So this is a compound. Common salt. Sodium chloride. NaCl. This is a compound. Okay. Sugar also compound. Carbon dioxide. CO2 also compound. Iodine. Okay. That is element. Lithium Le. That is also element. And see the eighth question children. Write the chemical formula for the following elements. Hydrogen, nitrogen, ozone, sulfur. Hydrogen H. Nitrogen N. Ozone O3. Sulfur S. So these are all the chemical formula. Okay. And what are elements? You know, write only definitions and give the example. Elements are chemically the simplest substance. That's all. And hence cannot be broken down using chemical reactions. Okay. Example hydrogen, oxygen. That's enough. And see the 11th question children. What are compounds? Give to example. Very important question. A compound is a pure substance that is formed when the atoms of two or more elements combine chemically in definite proportions. This is very important to mark children. Example H2O, NaCl, you write carbon dioxide, anything else. Okay. The two elements combine to form what? Compounds. See the 12th question children. Copper. Okay, you write the Latin name and simple. Sometimes asking 2 marks you have to write any two. Okay, sometimes they are asking the elements mercury, lead, potassium, sodium, anything else. Okay, you have to learn the symbols and Latin name also. And here, and 14th one, calculate the atomicity of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 means what? Sulfuric acid. So here children, H2SO4, how many atoms they are present in here? Hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So the atomicity of sulfuric acid, how much? 7. So here you write the answer. A molecule of sulfuric acid H2SO4 consists of how many hydrogen children? 2 hydrogen atom. Only one sulfur atom. There is no number. Should take one. Okay, one sulfur atom. And how many oxygen atom children? 4 oxygen atom. So totally 2 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the atomicity of sulfuric acid is how much? 7. This is clear to children. It's very important question. Okay, children, this is your detailed answers, children. First one is very important question already, you know. Metals and non-metals. So, concentrate this first question, children. Metals and non-metals. Okay, and you have to more concentrate in your fourth question also. Differentiation. Okay, all the differentiation you have to concentrate. Elements and compounds. You know the definition of elements and compounds, right? The examples and some points. That's all. And... you have to concentrate these two questions. Fifth question also very important question, children. 5 characteristics of compounds. Okay, 5 characteristics of compounds. So concentrate this 3 question answers, children. Okay, this second one also the same, and here fifth one also the same question. Okay, so concentrate this question answers, children. I'll give you 3 questions, children. Okay, complete your assignment. Report in the group without fail, children. Children, I'll give you this lesson PDF link, children, all the 1 marks, this lesson 1 marks, question answers and detail answers, everything, children. So those are not complete this lesson, complete today itself, children. There is no time, children. Okay, this is your revision video. So complete this lesson, all the 1 marks, question answers, everything, children. And take the paper and return the test. Okay, get the signature from your parents, children. Complete your assignment. Report in the group without fail. Thank you, children. God bless you.